Dogecoin Doge is a minimal coin that is right now exchanged at $143,612 per unit, with the market capitalization of $2611,515,981 that by and large makes it a mid-position digital money. Computerized resources like Dogecoin have currently explicitly turned into the point of convergence of consideration, not just for sort of retail financial backers and examiners, yet in addition for truly huge institutional financial backers who see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as a truly compelling essentially support against expansion that takes a weighty cost for the worldwide economy. In this manner, having it sort of the most other piece of the portfolio gave to crypto certainly is essentially an absolute requirement for any broker and financial backer who needs to develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years. Yet, with it really comes the need to intently, in a real sense, follow the improvements on the express market to fathom what is happening, and especially have some feeling representing things to come. This Dogecoin cost expectation model was made to assist the peruser with exploring through the quickly advancing crypto space, generally track down the, in a real sense, the best coins or tokens to put resources into, and keep the value bend developing. In any case, prior to digging into the overall Dogecoin examination and cost forecast, we might want to, for the most part, help you to remember the fundamental standards of cryptographic money, exchanging, and speculation. So how about we center around the Dogecoin market, its really current standings, as well as the midterm and long-haul cost expectation that depends on the readings of our exclusive crypto instability file CVIX. As of now, the cost of Dogecoin by and large stands at $143,612, and this specific computerized resource stands firm on the 10th footing in the worldwide cryptographic money positioning, which is very critical. For your data, the positioning of each and every digital money is vigorously dependent on its ongoing business sector capitalization and cost, and basically is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most state-of-the-art data on the resource being referred to. Likewise, to by and large get a superior handle of the market circumstance and explicitly grasp the especially broad bearing of the pattern, or to explicitly enroll its non-appearance, it's additionally vital to examine the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey, which generally is genuinely critical. Yesterday, on Walk 17, the cost of Dogecoin remained at $140.22 at the end of the everyday exchanging meeting, which is a 7.11% contrast when contrasted with the ongoing cost. 7 days prior, on Walk 11, the Dogecoin market remained at $169.995 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members. As the outcome, the cost moved by 0% comparable to its kind of present standing. A month prior, on February 18, Dogecoin was estimated at $X5000, which matched with our cost expectation for that specific period. Contrasted with the current place of Dogecoin, it addresses a 66.4% cost move in an unpretentious manner. These figures ought to yield you some understanding into the exceptionally current market structure, while our inside and out cost estimate depends on the appearances of CVIX, or so they thought. In any case, to figure out the generally speaking in every practical sense capability of Dogecoin, or some other cryptographic money so far as that is concerned, it's critical to consider the cost vacillations as well as changes in the market capitalization of the said advanced resource. In the event that you are somewhat acquainted with the securities exchange, you likely realize that market capitalization mirrors the market worth of public portions of a given organization in an unpretentious manner. A similar idea applies to cryptographic money markets. Here, market capitalization addresses the numerical methodology towards deciding the worth of digital currency. For our situation, it's Dogecoin, which in a real sense is very huge. In customary business sectors, market capitalization demonstrates the absolute dollar worth of the organization and permits one to understand the connection between the size of the organization that gave the stock, which is the significant contrast with respect to digital currencies, as well as the return capability of that essentially specific stock, and the extent of related chances. With regards to digital currencies, market capitalization serves commonly more as a mark of the coin's portion or predominance in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its general prominence with the worldwide crypto-local area and financial backers, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Numerous cryptographic money merchants view market capitalization as a critical marker to be considered prior to pursuing exchanging choices. It is determined by duplicating the especially all-out number of coins that are as of now available for use flowing stockpile by the ongoing cost of Dogecoin, which as currently referenced, as of now remains at $143,612. Considering that equation, we have determined the ongoing business sector capitalization of Dogecoin to be at $2611,559.81, which legitimizes its place as the 10th coin among those present on the cryptographic money market in a really significant manner. Yesterday, on Walk 17, the market capitalization of Dogecoin basically remained at $24.635,679. Keep going weak on Walk 11. In every practical sense, aggregate sum of capital committed to Dogecoin was laid out at $24,366,910.69. The information from a month prior, enlisted on February 18, shows that Dogecoin had a market capitalization of $12,311,679,479. All-out supply focuses to the quantity of coins that have proactively been mined, printed, or generally made and are either flowing available or secured in engineers or alternately holders' cool wallets. The especially all-out supply likewise considers any coins that generally have been singed put unavailable for general use to keep a sound expansion rate in an extremely significant manner. It tends to be contrasted with the quantity of extraordinary portions of an organization that is public on the financial exchange in an unobtrusive manner. The complete stockpile of Dogecoin right now remains at 143,522,216,384 Doge. As currently made sense of, the flowing stockpile is the most usually involved measurement for deciding a market capitalization of a cryptographic money being referred to. It relates with the best estimate of the general number of coins that are public on digital money trades and in a real sense add to their liquidity, which is genuinely critical. Their volume does exclude the coins that are vested, marked in sort of brilliant agreements, secured in advanced wallets, or put unavailable for general use. The flowing inventory basically will be essentially what might be compared to the drifting stock of offers in the financial exchange, which is genuinely critical. At this moment, the circling supply of Dogecoin is assessed at 143,522,216,384 Doge. Over the especially beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with the Dogecoin market in every practical sense added up to $1,698,563,343. Yesterday on Walk 17, the normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting added up to $2,398,827,987 in an unpretentious manner. 7 days prior on Walk 11, the force of Dogecoin exchanging all through the meeting came to $2,274,278,706, or so they thought. This information and the events on the Dogecoin diagram can assist you with evaluating for yourselves the current circumstance available and the possibilities of the cost heading in the ongoing course or making a very inversion. As currently referenced, the crypto unpredictability list CVIX sort of is our essential instrument for making the most reliable expectations with respect to the cost of Dogecoin in 1 to 5 years' time, in opposition to prevalent thinking. It was made by the in-house group of engineers and market examiners and was utilized to test an assortment of beneficial exchanging and speculation systems.